So it's really warm today in London, and we just went to get a gelato and for a quick walk. But yeah, it's 27 today, tomorrow 31, and it's fine for me. I think for some it's probably super hot, but for me it's perfect. So yeah, enjoying the sun. Okay guys, I've got some packages arrived, and we can unpack them together. And the one that I really want to show you is from PAULA'S CHOICE, some skincare products that I've been using and I really like them. And then also I've got one disaster package, which I'm going to explain to you later what happened. So I'll probably get myself comfortable somewhere and we can start unpacking. Okay, so I'm going to start with PAULA'S CHOICE first, and it's a small package, but it has all the products needed. So not doing a good job. So this is the package, and let's open it. Okay, so these are the 4 products that I've been using religiously every day, and I would say that it definitely improves my skin. It helps with acne, and I'm going to explain about all these 4 products. So I'm going to start with exfoliator. This one, I think this is one of their hero products. I've seen on their website they recommend this as the most selling product for them. So it's definitely a really good exfoliator. It's very gentle. It's like a liquid exfoliator, and you can apply it in the morning and in the evening. I apply it only in the morning, and what it does, it would improve the skin texture, improve skin tone, and also unclogs pores. So it's definitely a good cleanser in the morning, so that's why I'm using it first thing in the morning. And then after this one I would apply booster. So this booster is my hero product. It's quite expensive and only 30 ml, so it's really small, and I'm trying to be careful and use it just a little bit, tiny amount, and apply on my skin. Again, you can use it daily in the morning and in the evening, but I would use it only in the morning after this one. So what it does, again, it's like a booster. So basically it would help this product to work better, it would boost it, and also it has the same salicylic acid. And after this one I would use daily face cream with SPF. So this one is with SPF 30, and this one is for acne skin, for blemish prone skin, and it hydrates and gives really good hydration. At the same time, it wouldn't clog your pores. So it's very light texture, and this is what I loved about this cream. I do also have the same one in SPF 50, which is for a little bit more mature skin, and both of them are amazing. They're lightweight, and I've also mentioned this on my Instagram that I love this face cream, and it feels really nice, very smooth, and definitely one of my favorite products from PAULA'S CHOICE. And then in the evening I would use the toner. So this one is pore reducing toner, and I would apply it after I clean my skin. So I would do the regular things like clean my skin and wash my makeup with gel, and then I use the Bioderma water, which you probably all know, and that would help to clean makeup even better. And then what I would suggest is to just wash your face with water after you use the Bioderma water, because it's still soap, so it's good to clean the skin. And then after all of that I would apply and clean my skin also with this one. So as I mentioned, religiously every day, and it definitely helped me. It definitely improves my skin tone and reduces my pores. I wouldn't say that it's a miracle and you won't have anything, but it definitely helps a lot. And again, I would say that all of 3 are quite essential, and also the face cream, but you can use your own face cream, the one that you like. But these three are my hero pieces. It's like a set that I have, and I definitely like them. And this one actually lasts for a long time. And obviously this one is the one that I need to reorder, but it's worth it. So I definitely I'm very happy with these products. Okay, let's move to the next box. This would be a lipstick. So it just comes in a really big box. Like that. So this one is lipstick from NARS, and it's from their limited collection. It's matte lipstick in color Matilda, and I really like that it has this kind of a bit peachy and a little bit like natural tone. I don't know, I don't think it's gonna focus, is it? So I'm going to apply it later and show you, because at the moment I've got another lipstick. So this one is actually from Laura Mercier. I think it's called A la Rouge or A la Rose, something like that. But this one, I like the style of it. It's really pretty. So yeah, I like these type of shades, and I'm going to try it and show you how it looks. It's very smooth, feels very nice. So I'm going to just show you that one as well later. Other package is going to be shampoos. So these are hair care products from Living Proof. Okay, so this is hair shampoo and hair conditioner, and this is for damaged hair, and on the sticker it says new and improved. So I guess it's kind of like a new improved formula, and I haven't tried them but heard a lot of good reviews, and my friend is using this product, so she's very happy. So I'm going to try and see how good they are, but I've heard really good stuff about these products. And then when I ordered these two, I got for free this mask, which is full size mask, intense moisture mask, which I'm going to try as well, and I was really happy. This one I ordered from, I'm going to check where did I order this from, because it doesn't say on the box, but I'm going to link down below, because hopefully the deal is still on. But I thought it's really cool if you order two products and you get full size product as a gift. So that was really nice. And then the last thing is the package that was kind of like a disaster, so I'm going to show you what happened. So this is how it came. This is a package from Zalando, and I ordered Ray-Ban sunglasses, and it had, again, really good deal. It was on sale, so I was really excited. When I received the package, it felt really light, and then I didn't even open it. I just kind of like opened this side here, and I saw that there's the box, which is the Ray-Ban box. You probably can see here, and yeah, it was empty. So there you go, no sunglasses. I messaged Zalando, and they replied the next day, and they said that we are really sorry. So I received my refund, and they also gave me 15% off for my next purchase. So the customer service is really good there, and I never had any problems with that. So I'm not sure if that's from their end or that was the courier company, but that was quite a shock. So, well, I got my refund, but I really wanted the glasses, not the refund. So probably going to find either a new shop or just try with them again, and fingers crossed it arrives. But yeah, so that's the disaster package. It wasn't packed well, so someone just saw the Ray-Ban box and probably just took them. And they had a really good taste, because they liked the same sunglasses that I did. Anyway, that's all the products that I want to show you. Okay, I'm going to try now this lipstick so you can see the color, and I'm going to use my mirror here so I can see where I apply. So I would say that the texture is really nice and very smooth, and definitely it's buildable. I can feel that you can build the shade a little bit darker. Okay, so this is how it looks, and it feels very creamy, and the texture is nice and smooth, and you can it's buildable. The color can be a bit more intense or a little bit lighter, and it's easy to apply because it's not too dark, so you don't have to be super precise. So yeah, super nice. I really like this one, and that's the way it looks. Okay guys, so I'm in the city today and I'm working from the office, and it's already 5:30, so I'm going to finish soon, and I'm going to meet my friend. We're just going around, walking, maybe by the river, and then probably we'll grab some food, maybe a glass of wine as well. So yeah, so that's the office. There's yeah, probably I'll try to show you some. Don't want to disturb anyone, we still have some people there, but yeah, I'm going to leave in a few minutes. So yeah, that's the office, and usually I sit somewhere there. So yeah, it's quite nice here, and I really like the kitchen. It's very spacious and a really nice view here. Yeah, that's it. Okay guys, so I am ready to go to a fashion show, and I'm going to take you with me. And it's 31 degrees outside, so it's super hot in London, and crazy me is going to this fashion show, but I really wanted to go and dive into that atmosphere. So yeah, I didn't know what to wear, so I just kind of put these trousers and then this top. These are from Mango, and the top is from Zara, and then I have like a bra from Skims. Looks like a bralette, I guess. So a little bit maybe daring, but for the fashion show it's gonna work. And yeah, it's gonna be a lot of new designers, new upcoming brands, and I'm really looking forward to see that. And also they will have from clothes to accessories, so a lot of things there. So really excited, and yeah, I'm going to probably also add these glasses, which is a little bit like 70s, I don't know. And then a bag, just this one, and I'm ready to go. Hopefully this is not gonna be too hot. They sent me an email and they said they're going to provide with free gelato and free water, so that's good. And yeah, let's see what they will have there. I see you there. Okay guys, so thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy this, and I'm going to see you in my next video. I'm heading home now, so I'll finish here and I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye.